Sample question number 14 here says, when the amplitude of a sound wave is higher, the sound wave will be louder, softer, faster or slower. So here the question is between the amplitude and the sound wave. So first understand what actually the amplitude is. So amplitude you might be studied already. If I'm representing a wave in a general form, something like this, if this is assume this is the wave which I'm representing, the amplitude is basically from the reference point to this, the peak. That's what we say. This length is called the amplitude of the waves. Any wave, sound wave, wind wave, water waves, any waves in general, this is the amplitude. Now question is related with the sound wave. So let's try to understand with some example, basic experimental kind of. Suppose assume that you are playing a music player somewhere over here. You are playing a music player somewhere over here, and the three like two to three different people are standing nearby. Someone is far away and the another one is the farthest. So assume one person is standing over here and another person is standing over here and the another person is standing far away from this. So what actually happens if you are playing the music, and what the sound, who like hears the sound louder and who hears the sound lower, means the intensity of the sound, where will be the louder and where will be the lower. Obviously the person who near to the music player, he hears the louder sound, and the person away from it hears the lesser sound. If not, if the person is far away, he might not even hear as well, isn't it? So that is what the concept says here. But how it is related with amplitude? How do I relate the amplitude of the sound waves? Usually, uh, a sound, like sound waves with the speaker or sound wave which is generated, will be, it won't travel with the same amplitude. The amplitude of the sound wave keeps increasing. So this is how it goes. So if I'm just representing as a general wave for the sound with this reference point, so amplitude of the sound waves will be something like this. Where it is generated, it has the greater the amplitude, it will be something like this. And as it's keep moving, gradually its amplitude starts keep decreasing. So this is, and it goes and it goes. If the person is far away from it, there won't be any sound. It means the person who is near to it hears the louder sound. Why? Because the amplitude of that is going to be the higher, and the person who is like the far away from it, he won't receive anything, because the sound is not reaching till there, because of the medium, the denser medium. And also, like we know that the wave propagation depends on the medium. So due to the medium, so you won't be hearing the sound to the far away from the speaker or the far away from the source generator. So what we can say here, if the person is near to it, the sound wave is going to be the louder, and if person is far away, the sound wave is going to be, we may hear or we may not, depends on the distance. So among the options whichever they have given us, what we're gonna choose, the sound wave will be louder, the sound wave will be softer, be faster and slower. So definitely I will go with the choice A, that is the first one, because near the sound source, the amplitude of the sound wave will be higher, so it becomes, the sound wave becomes the louder. So that's how do we solve.